Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pay with Google Pay on eBay quickly and easily. If you've ever wanted a seamless, secure way to check out without entering card details every time, this guide is for you. First, start by adding the items you want to your cart. Make sure you've picked everything you need because once you proceed to checkout, the process moves fast. Next, when you're ready to pay, go to the checkout page and select Google Pay as your payment method. Google Pay is a secure digital wallet, so you don't have to worry about manually typing your card information. Before finalizing your order, take a moment to verify your shipping address and payment details. This step is crucial to ensure your items are delivered correctly and the payment goes through without a hitch. Once you've double-checked everything, simply confirm your order. Google Pay will handle the payment instantly, giving you a smooth and safe checkout experience. And that's it. Your purchase is complete in just a few clicks. Using Google Pay on eBay not only speeds up the checkout process, but also adds an extra layer of security to your transactions. No more fumbling with cards or worrying about payment errors. That's all for today. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and follow along for more quick, easy tutorials to simplify your online shopping experience.